Hello everyone, welcome to this week tutorial. This is going to be a very quick tutorial and here I want to show you how to enable fingerprint unlock on your WhatsApp. This is a recent update from WhatsApp and I think it is from 21st January 2020, and I want to show you how you can do that. To do that, just go to WhatsApp, come up here to these three dots, click on it, and then go to settings, and then you choose account. After that, go to privacy and then scroll down and you will see down here fingerprint lock. Click on it, and to enable you just come up here and then select that. Here you have confirm fingerprint. I'm using Samsung Galaxy Note 4. In your case might be different. I know that for some phones you just have to press here. In my case, to touch the sensor I have to swipe, so I'm going to swipe here. Let me try again. There you go, I have enabled fingerprint lock on my WhatsApp. So once you have enabled it, you have a few more options here, like automatic lock, you have immediate lock, you have after 1 minute to lock, or after 30 minutes. By default it comes after 1 minute, so I'm going to leave the way it is. So after 1 minute, it means that you will be required to unlock your WhatsApp using your fingerprint after 1 minute once you have closed the application. For example, if I close the application now and try to open again, you will not need to swipe to unlock your device. But if you select, for example, settings, privacy, enable fingerprint, if you, for example, select immediately, let me show what happens. Let me close it, and if I try to open it, you'll be required to swipe your finger. You see? So it's up to you the way you want to enable it. If you want to automatically lock once you close the application or once you switch the application, or if you want it to lock after 1 minute. Well guys, that's all for this tutorial. I hope you've liked it, and if you did, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.